Are you looking for the best action cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best action cameras. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro uses a big Type 1/1.3 format image sensor to produce crisp video in dim light that looks better than what you get from the GoPro Hero 13 Black. The Osmo's video resolution isn't as ambitious as the Hero 13's, but it still supports up to 4K 120 or 1080p 240, and it does better than GoPro for stills with 40MP RAW DNG and JPG capture. We love its large, dual touchscreens, 2-hour battery life at 4K 60, and waterproofing for depths up to 59 feet. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is the most well-rounded action cam for the money, and especially appealing to content creators who already own or may want to use DJI's high-quality Mic 2 wireless audio system. It's also a top choice for those who value low-light recording. The front touchscreen is handy for self-recording, and the camera's tough build quality means you don't have to worry about it breaking during rough and tumble use. Sensor resolution: 40MP. Sensor type: CMOS. Sensor size: Type 1/1.3. Memory card slots: 1. Memory card format: microSD-XC. Battery type: DJI Osmo 1950 mAh. Minimum ISO: 100. Maximum ISO: 51,200. 35mm equivalent, wide. 9mm. Stabilization: digital. Display size: 2.5 inches. Display resolution: 854,400 dots. Touchscreen. Connectivity. Capture urban nightscapes. Osmo Action 5 Pro features a new 1/1.3 sensor for stunning lowlight. Great for nighttime biking adventures in dark environments. Enhanced subject tracking, 4nm chip for fast, reliable framing. Keep fast-moving subjects centered. 7. The 4nm chip ensures smooth and fast framing in 16:9 or 9:16. Action 5 Pro must be activated in the DJI MIMO app due to platform compatibility issue. The MIMO app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better usage experience, please scan the QR code on the camera screen prompt to download the latest version of DJI MIMO. Long-lasting all-condition use. Experience the satisfaction of up to 4 hours of extended battery life. 1. Ideal for all scenarios, ensuring continuous performance and unbroken recording. Vibrant, precise control. Enjoy vibrant, true-to-life colors with dual OLED touchscreens. Crisp viewing, ready for any scenario, makes outdoor recording and re-watching fun again. Ultra-stable footage. Achieve steady, high-quality footage with 360 degrees horizon steady. 17. Ideal for vlogging and capturing sports from any perspective, no matter how shaky things get. Professional audio. Capture clear audio with DJI microphone connection and get audio from DJI Mic 2 transmitter directly without needing a receiver. Perfect for moto vlogging, skiing, solo vlogging. Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black may not be the latest from the action cam powerhouse, but we see it as the best value option in the company's current lineup. For $50 less than the newer Hero 13, you get video that's just as good, with excellent slow motion options, 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240, plus 10-bit color in HDR, SDR, or flat profiles. A nearly square image sensor boosts picture quality for creators pulling vertical 9:16 frames for TikTok, while its rugged and waterproof build means you don't need an add-on case. The Hero 12 Black is about as versatile an action cam as you can find. Surfers, skateboarders, and other X Games participants can strap the camera to their person or board to get first-person views of stunts. Vloggers should appreciate its front-facing color display, standard tripod socket, and media mod accessory system. Sensor resolution: 27MP. Sensor type: CMOS. Sensor size: Type 1/1.9. Memory card slots: 1. Memory card format: microSD XC. Battery type: GoPro Enduro. Minimum ISO 100. Maximum ISO 6400. 35mm equivalent, wide. Stabilization. Display size 2.3 inches. High dynamic range video plus photo. Hero 12 Black takes its best-in-class image quality to the next level with HDR for both videos, 5.3K and 4K, and photos. Great in environments with both shadows and bright light, HDR captures the subtle details of the scene that might typically blend into the darkness of shadows or disappear in the bright spots of your shot. The result is dynamic footage with true-to-life color and precision. Unbelievable image quality, with 5.3K video that gives you 91% more resolution than 4K and an incredible 665% more than 1080p, Hero 12 Black captures the action with crisp detail and cinematic image quality with high dynamic range, HDR, while also taking 27MP photos. You can also grab stunning photos up to 24.7MP of your favorite shots from your videos using the GoPro Quick app. Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization. Hypersmooth continues to set the bar for insanely smooth footage and has the hardware to back it up, a 2021 Emmy for in-camera sensor and software stabilization. Hero 12 Black makes it even better by maximizing Hypersmooth Auto Boost performance with more stabilization while still delivering less image cropping. Bike, skate, ski, chase your kids through the park or get awesome pet POV shots, even the shakiest footage comes out silky smooth. Rugged plus waterproof to 33 feet, 10 meters, completely waterproof and as tough as ever, Hero 12 Black is ready to capture the fun on any adventure. Its legendary durability can take a beating. Number 3. Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 is the camera to get for dual-lens, 360-degree video. It captures an all-around view of the world and gives you the software tools to do interesting and creative things with the video. The camera is waterproof and can survive rough handling, too, so it's suitable for mounting and capturing action. Creators who want to try their hand at 360-degree capture and the editing techniques that go with it should find a lot to like about the X4. Its HDR video profile handles mixed lighting well, and you can use the camera for special effects shots like Matrix-style bullet time and time-lapse with motion. Sensor type: CMOS. Sensor size: Type 1/2. Memory card slots: 1. Memory card format: microSD XC. Battery type: lithium-ion. Minimum ISO 100. Maximum ISO 6400. 35mm equivalent, wide. 6.7mm. Stabilization: digital. Display size: 2.7 inches. Display resolution: touchscreen. Connectivity: Bluetooth, USB-C, Wi-Fi. Number 4. DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 rethinks the action cam design. It's modular and has magnetic mounting points that let you place the camera in tight spots that can't quite hold a GoPro. You can even use the camera as a wearable body cam with the included pendant necklace mount. Video quality is strong too, with 4K 120 recording available for action and slow motion. If you're looking for a small, wearable camera for travel logs and adventures, the Action 2 is a good choice. The camera's video features are competitive with GoPros and the industrial design is a winner for style-conscious influencers. Sensor resolution: 12MP. Sensor type: CMOS. Sensor size: Type 1/1.7. Memory card slots: 1. Memory card format: microSD XC. Battery type: internal. Minimum ISO 100. Maximum ISO 6400. 35mm equivalent, wide. Stabilization: digital. Display size: 2 inches. Display resolution: touchscreen. Connectivity: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C. Maximum waterproof depth 33 feet. Video resolution 4K. HDMI output none. Snap into your environment. Action 2's innovative magnetic design allows you to effortlessly switch out accessories as you capture life on the go. Snap on any of Action 2's diverse accessories and discover creative ways to film your adventure. Action on the go. The ultra-compact DJI Action 2 takes up next to no room in your travel bag. With the magnetic lanyard and magnetic headband, you can effortlessly wear the lightweight camera on your head or chest as you capture the world around you. Footage that speaks for itself. Record stunningly smooth 4K/120 FPS, 2, video with richer details than ever before. Action 2's ultra-wide FOV lets you capture more of your surroundings as you explore. Share-worthy content in a tap. The DJI Mimo app uses its AI editor to automatically select and combine your epic moments with flawless transitions and upbeat music. Only the Action 2 camera unit is waterproof. The front touchscreen module and power module are not waterproof. It's recommended to use the Action 2 waterproof case if you need to use Action 2 underwater for long periods. When recording 4K/120 FPS, Action 2 will stop filming when the set autostop rec temp is reached. If set as standard, 4K/120 FPS video can be recorded for around 3 minutes. If set to high. Number 5. GoPro Max. GoPro's dual-lens action camera uses 2 lenses to record the entire world around it, but can also function as a single-lens action cam. The Max's strengths as a 360-degree camera are its sharp video quality and software reframing tools. That's not to mention the 6 internal microphones that grab the best in-camera audio of any action cam we've tested. As you might expect from a GoPro, the Max is also tough and waterproof, though only to 16 feet. The GoPro Max is a top pick for creators who want a dual-lens 360 camera and care a lot about audio quality. Travel vloggers and others who present to the camera won't have to fiddle with an external mic with this one, and the Max is waterproof to boot. GoPro offers reframing tools for creative edits too, though they're not quite as polished as what you get with the Insta360 X4. Sensor type: CMOS. Sensor size: memory card slots 1. Memory card format: microSD-XC, microSD, microSD-HC. Battery type: GoPro Acbat 001. Minimum ISO: 400. Maximum ISO: 6400. 35 mm equivalent, wide. Stabilization: digital. Display size: 1.7 inches. Display resolution: touchscreen. Connectivity: USB-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Maximum waterproof depth: 16 feet. Video resolution: 5.6K. 3 cameras in one. Maximize your creative freedom. With Max you can shoot traditional hero-style video and photos or capture immersive 360 footage. Vlog to the max with shotgun mic performance and a front-facing screen. Max Hypersmooth. Max gives you unbreakable stabilization by using 180-degree capture as the ultimate buffer. Live streaming in 1080p. Shoot in hero mode and share while you're there. Live stream in 1080p on social. Get Max Hypersmooth stabilization as you broadcast via the GoPro app and save footage to your SD card to check out later. Horizon leveling. In hero mode, game-changing horizon leveling gives you that silky smooth cinematic look whether you're getting sideways, flipping through the air or chasing your kids. Power pano without the pan. Take incredible 270-degree distortion-free panoramic photos without having to scan the horizon. Take power pano selfies, action shots, and vertical pics all with a level horizon.